In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Notion. Creating templates in Notion is a simple way to save time and keep your pages consistent, especially if you find yourself setting up the same kind of page over and over again. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening a page all the way to saving a reusable template you can apply whenever you need it. First, open the Notion page where you want to create your template. This is usually a database like a table, board, list, or calendar, because templates work best with database items. Make sure you're inside the database and looking at the list of entries, not just a standalone page. If you're not sure, look for the database view controls at the top, like table or list view. Next, look for the button that says New near the top or bottom of your database. This button is what you normally click to create a new entry or page inside that database. Go ahead and click New. Instead of just thinking of this as making a single new page, we're going to use this area to access the template options. After you click New, you should see additional options related to templates. Look for the option labeled New Template. This is what allows you to design a layout once and reuse it many times. Click on New Template, and Notion will open a special editing view. This looks a lot like a normal page, but what you create here will become the default content whenever you choose this template in the future. Now, at the top of this template page, type in a clear and descriptive template name. This name is important because it's what you'll see later when choosing from different templates. Choose something that reflects the purpose of the page, like meeting notes, content plan, or project tracker. Taking a moment to name it well now will